Shalom, y'all. I know that's a different opener, but it means hey as well. Men, peace, and bye. Welcome back to Shalom Meadows. Peaceful Meadows, you know, because we try to make it peaceful around here. The place where we're flipping this 1960s, 70s office trailer building into our home. Welcome back. New video. Don't forget to like, share. Nope, I don't know. Life will go on. Not share. Share, like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll know when we got new videos, you know. And we appreciate you that do watch. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Join the family. What I'm doing right here, yonder, is trying to trim this down. And if you've watched previous videos, you know I'm not a good trimmer. So hopefully I do alright and I don't tear up too much stuff. And lo and behold, there's still leaks. So probably not in this video, but or the next video. But we're thinking about putting the awning up. Just go ahead and put the awning up and see if that's what it is. We don't know. We still don't know. We've done all kinds of wacky smacky stuff. Wacky smacky stuff. And it's still leaking. I mean, so I know it's a big old problem, but problems can be solved with the master's help. So we just wanted to give you, I want to give you that little update on the leaking. But that's what I'm going to try to do right now. And yeah, we're trying to make this place livable. And trying to make it look pretty decent. Which compared to what it looked like when we first came in, it looks a lot different. But to us, myself, and myself, and I, it's still not there yet because I'm not in it. But when I get in it, it'll be there. But remember, life goes on! That'd be weird. Abe the ape. You got some abs? No, I said my name's Abe. Hey y'all. Have you noticed something different about me? I got long hair now. And you're probably like, that's not long. I'm used to having short hair. This right here is Fabio-ish to me. And I'm not a European man. But I would be a peeing in the bathroom. Dead.
What the heck happened? You know?
Oh yeah. Our first two cuts were, fabulous, on point.
And then,
but
her
first two cuts were fabulous. I mean, like glorious. But after that, I don't know what happened.
I don't know what happened.
I think she said,
I'm tired and that's good. I'm just going to cut it how I want to cut it. Say it's cut the same. He's going to throw it up there and say zoom, zoom, like a boom, boom, and it's not going to be the same. But it's okay. He'll just trim it off. He'll do more work.
Yeah, that's pretty much what happened.
He will go, oh, let me do the same thing more than once. He's good at that. Oh, I remember when I used to work at a job, okay? All y'all probably don't care. But I'm doing a real quick story. I used to work at this job. I was a forklift driver. Hey, you forklift drivers out there, you know my pain. And when you move the same thing 20 times, it gets a little annoying. That's the way it is when you do the same job over and over again on your home.
Like flipping a window.
And or trying to get rid of leaks. 4 months. You've done everything.
Kind of.
Everything.
Daddy,
What?
if you break a window.
Hey y'all, this ladder's not heavy. But when you carry it like this, it feels like it's heavy.
Probably carry it because you're carrying it the hard way.
Woo! I'm not an elephant. I'm just trying to keep the dust out of my face.
What if some crazy lunatic killer comes in and tries to get us?
Hey. How you doing?
Or a coyote?
How you doing?
Oh God, I hope it wasn't a coyote, a male coyote, thinking you're a female.
Oh. That didn't sound like that.
That was so sexist.
That didn't sound like that. That sounded like this. Oh.